We're extremely passionate about CBD, so much so that we're here talking to you about it and helping educate others on the health benefits that CBD oil has to offer and everything that you need to know about the safe use of cannabis. Taking CBD is really simple. It comes in a small child-proof bottle. It can be taken by liquid syringe or dropper. I keep it beside my bed and in my purse. The main reason I take CBD is because it helps me slow down enough to think before I react. It has allowed me to separate my emotions and stop being reactive. I am more purposeful with my words towards myself and my family, and I've stopped feeling the desperate need to constantly go. I've also eliminated the daily need for ibuprofen by taking CBD. Now I only take it about once a month on a really bad day. The oil I am currently taking is from Symbol, and I've also used some good oils from Emerald Therapeutics and Ireza Wellness. You can also take it in a spray format, and good companies for that are Hexo or Namaste. I am passionate about cannabis and its benefits for all, and I am truly on a mission to help people feel better. While CBD may not be for everyone, consuming hemp nutritionally is a really good idea. This is one way that we talk to our kids about cannabis to teach them about the benefits of the plant. Our whole family consumes the seed oil from the health food store along with our other daily supplements. If you want to know more about us and want to follow our journey with cannabis, we've included links to our social media down below so that we can connect with you guys. I hope you liked this video. Please like or comment below and be sure to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next one.